Hello everybody, so here I got the C7 Corvette, had the oil change done, had it up on the lift, just makes it a lot easier, so did the oil change myself. So I used to use just the regular Dex's oil 530 because that's what the manufacturer requires. It even says it on the cap, Dex's 530. So I used to just use the one from the dealership. So this car, it's not required to use the Mobil one because this one does not have the C51 package. It's not a dry sump engine. It's the old style wet sump. But Mobil one is recommended. So this go around, I went ahead and just stepped it up to the Mobil one. And if I do it myself, I save quite a bit of money. So I spent 60 bucks for the 7 quarts of Mobil one with the OE oil filter. I think the dealership was gonna charge me like 150 bucks. So I know how to do it. Plus I had the lift. So I'd rather just go ahead and do it myself. 15, so it takes a 15 millimeter. I try to use a socket, but because of the clearance, had to get a wrench. So I like to pre-lube the oil filter before I install it, just so it doesn't have a dry start. Just took a quick look underneath the car. So in a few thousand more miles, I'll have to do the transmission service. We got the drain plug, the fill plug, so it's just a drain and fill. And then at the same time, I'll be doing the differential service. And same thing, just drain and fill. So pretty easy procedures. So that'll be next on my service. So I went ahead and used this tester to check the moisture level of the brake fluid, because brake fluid is hygroscopic, so meaning it absorbs moisture. On some cases it can be as high as 1 to 2% of its volume every year. On this case I had a 1%. So getting a high moisture content, it's not good for the system. It's bad for the ABS system. It's corrosive, so you could have leaks. Also, high moisture content could lead to a spongy brake pedal, and it also lowers the boiling point of the brake fluid. So I checked the clutch fluid because it takes the same fluid, .4, and that one's high, 3%. Here in the next few days, I'll be replacing my steer tires on this car, so I'll have the car on the lift again, and I'll be changing both the brake fluid and the clutch fluid at the same time, just so I have clean fluid. So when I opened up the engine bay to do the oil change, I realized I hadn't been paying much attention to the engine bay because all that dust, all that dirt, it just looked horrible. So not something I was proud of. So went ahead and cleaned it up, gave it a good scrub-a-dub-dub. So I was just finished drying it up and removed the cover to finish cleaning up underneath there. And this paint just peels off so easy. So I'll look up something. Maybe I can get them letters painted back up where it won't peel off so easy next time. Alrighty, got the oil change done, got the engine bay cleaned. I'll get them letters painted on later, just so get it back looking good. And I'll probably be doing the oil changes with Mobil one from now on, because I can do it for 60 bucks versus 150 if I take it to the dealership. So that's a good savings right there. And Mobil one's one of the best oils out there. even though for this car it's not really required, but I think it's just better to go ahead and step it up to the Mobil 1. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe.